damn.
How many times I gotta try to get this in your heart? How many times I gotta tell you you're a work of art? How many times I gotta say we be split apart? My life is like a movie, baby, you should be my star. I got a bad bitch and she look like a shanty.
Look how dog runs, y'all. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh fuck no, I'm dead. Look how this nigga runs. Look how he runs, yo. Oh my god, this shit is funny. Did anybody tell you you run like that nigga on that Get Out shit?
Yeah. Thanks, bro, so much, man.
Like,
fuck.
Of course. You know what? I went to the wrong dealership. I went to the Hyundai. No, Honda. No, I had to think for a second. I was like, wait a minute. It's on
Wait a
record.
minute.
I had to like put 2 to 2 together.
Bro, I had to survive.
He's like,
there's some raccoons trying to harass me.
What did they say?
They were all like,
hey,
I ate breadcrumbs.
Like, hey, nigga, you got a nice little Honda shirt, huh? You make it bang, huh? Nigga, you gotta get the fuck out of there while you can.
For real, nigga. Damn fool. Someone's ready.
Yeah, I was gonna wear a fucking white beater because it's hot as fuck, you know what I'm saying?
Nigga, it's hot.
Y'all see that shit moving? Look at this shit. Look at that shit moving, y'all.
Probably hurry up and leave.
It's a fucking tornado.
I'm not the one to get abducted by aliens.
What up, y'all? Back with another motherfucking vlog, you know what I'm saying? Ain't that right?
Yeah.
Fun for fun. $9 for just some little poppers and shit. You know, my nephew would have fucking fun with that shit. Oh, hell yeah. I mean, he already has like a lot of them TNT shits. But I think he wants more, I know him. Look, silly string and shit. What am I gonna silly string in someone's car? Shit, I will too. Soft ass pillow.
I need a firm pillow so my neck doesn't fall through the freaking thing.
From your fucking bed?
Yeah.
He's all,
Oh my god.
Can't look like that guy too.
Yes.
Oh my god.
I was
Say.
more like that.
It's okay. Yeah, y'all, we're at Walmart though, cause a nigga gotta go get some lotion. Cause I be dry as hell. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Oh, crap! What the fuck are these? Don't even touch them. Oh, this shit. Damn, y'all, look at all these fucking people. Look at that shit. All these fucking people.
They brought the grill, I'm dead.
Look, already, look, they already set up for the concert too and shit. You know, damn well niggas are about to go fucking. Is it really?
I never know those white men.
Popos! Popos! Look at all these niggas. Look at all these niggas. Jesus Christ.
You see all types of people.
Alright, stop the pic. Where's the stroganoff at?
It's still here. That's one of their signatures.
I can't find the fucking stroganoff.
You don't need
They
that.
don't have a picture forever inside.
There it is.
That ain't no fucking stroganoff. He tried to play me. He tried to play me, yo. Tried to play me.
Oh, it's mac and cheese.
Yeah,
Just cause it says it was concert. Didn't you get that last time we were here?
Nah. I'm gonna get this one or this. I'm gonna get this one.
So we are gonna get some stickers too, but I'm gonna get like a 6 count. 6 count. Is that considered a regular?
Yeah, $5 just 6.
Alright, say less. Noodles and company.
Noodles
Lots
and
of
noodles.
meatballs too.
She said, how
Meatballs
much?
is a sign?
Yep.
Oh, cream
And I'll
barbecue.
get that so it can go. I got that last time, huh? Yeah, I'll get that. Oh, they have 5 or 10.
Alright, well. Need some stroganoff here.
Stroganoff?
Alright. Oh, Oh, steak stroganoff.
Yeah, it's always
Then I
good.
gotta get that rid of it and just put it on a picture.
Alright, I'm gonna get a small. What the fuck are you? Small stroganoff. What do you want?
I'm just getting the same.
He's all. You still get the same.
What is that supposed to be?
This how Don looks. He's like, I'm just
I
gonna get the
want
same.
this too.
Why do you make me look like a spore character? Just like,
Ooh. Peach lemonade. Peach lemonade. No? Oh, that makes sense. As to why it wasn't. Take a picture.
thanks, Dad.
This is my son. This is my son. Hey, you're welcome, son. Hey, you too, daughter. I probably do. I'm like that type of dad that jumps as fuck.
You're wearing a white beater, too.
Look how good it looks, y'all. This shit look fire. I'm about to eat that. I'm gonna beat that. Tell me why this meatball looks like Don's head.
My chin? Oh my god. Difference. Just getting his head is his nose. Because I just need to get rid of a bunch of them. That's why my room's all dirty. Just like, I get
God damn, that shit was fire. What'd you say?
I said you're putting on a jacket.
I ain't putting on shit. What'd you say?
Put it on a jacket.
I'm gonna wear a wife beater, bro. Wait.
Do it, cause I am.
Putting on a jacket.
Yeah.
Who needs a jacket, bro? Let them see those bite. They're hungry.
Hey, wait, y'all, we're at Don's house because he got to change his fucking Auto Nation shirt.
You know what that means.
No, I don't know what the fuck that means. What is he talking? He all laughs.
Do you remember that thing where it's like when she answers your Instagram request or whatever? He's like, that little long-nosed Pokemon.
Long-nosed Pokemon ass nigga.
Sorry, Joker. What's up, man?
Kobe, is that you?
What up, dog? Alright, where's my... I'm probably gonna take my own car this time.
Shoot at.
I'll just follow you.
Baby hairs one-on-one with Flossie. Oh, look at you now.
I look gross.
Look
I have to
at
put this
you.
one down here. That's why. I'm like, what is that sticking up? This side looks. Tired of this shit. I'm gonna go bald.
I'll go bald with you.
Let's do it.
Shit.
Look at that couple with cancer.
I got a big ass head.
You do. You do have a big head.
And I need to hurry up and fucking fill in my beard.
This side is so funny.
Excuse me from after
What the fuck? Who the fuck are you? Jesus,
Get ready.
you're built like a tarantula. Oh, Jesus, nigga.
Wait.
What the fuck?
Okay, let me see. Actually, you have like Chinese eyes.
And she gave me no eyebrows, huh?
Gotta get that Vietnamese side of him.
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Yup.
What the hell is even that?
Your brain.
What the hell is he?
Your hat.
Damn, y'all. We're gonna get too fucking close because too many fucking people.
It was raining. Oh, I can see it with the. How pretty!
That one's tight, though.
Oh my god.
That shit is litty titty. Or do you want to go out and look at them? Like on the grass right here.
It's gone. Oh no.
It's not raining no more, though. You'll like it.
The grass is wet.
Still, look at that. They're snapping over there. They're hella snapping. Oh, Parker. What the fuck? part right here. I'm gonna get fucked beat.
Where you going?
It's alright, I'm just checking outside. Damn, look at all these people though, y'all. It's packed all through this fucking gas station. You don't want to go and travel?
Where are we traveling to? I'll go outside the beach.
We can go right here. Walk around this way, or we could go across the street and go this way. Because we can't go in cars this way. We can only go walk, like walking wise that go down. Oh damn. Oh shit. Yee. That's it. You disappointment ass nigga. What the fuck was that? Oh. Damn. They shooting again.
Face cam.
Yeet.
Bro, what the?
What the fuck was that? Oh shit. Oh. Alright y'all, we just getting started. I don't know what the fuck this is, but we gonna find out. I'm shitted though.
What kind of lingo you got?
Oh shit. How pretty, yeah. Too bad we got anything that blows the fuck up. We need something that blows up.
Right?
The only thing I got is the caboodle.
What is that?
I don't know. I'm saving it for last time.
Alright, y'all, let's see what the fuck this shit does. Oh shit, thanks for telling me some fucking shit. You didn't tell me no heads up, no nothing.
Well, when the
Oh shit! Ah!
That's nice. I like that one.
Now it goes to smooth and shit. Oh damn, nigga. Ah shit! That shit all fucking hit me and shit. Put in reverse, turn! Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus!
Put in reverse, Terry. Put in reverse. Oh Lord, Lord Jesus.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna throw one of these fireworks at my sister. These don't hurt though, but still though, they do sometimes. It all depends though. But
things that like
what up?
they spin around really fast.
Yeet!
I saw that.
Hi guys. Don't mind my edges. They're not good right now. Happy 4th of July. I bet I look gross right now.
How many times I gotta try to get this in your heart? How many times I gotta tell you're a work of art? How many times I gotta say we'd be split apart? My life is like a movie, baby, you should be my star. I got a bad bitch and she look like Ashanti.